Glow-tastic. Understanding a sparkling English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore a fun and vibrant phrase, glow-tastic. This phrase is a blend of words and captures a very positive and lively spirit. So, let's dive in and understand what makes glow-tastic such a special phrase in English. The term glow-tastic is a portmanteau, which is a word made by combining two different words. In this case, it's glow and fantastic. Glow refers to a steady light or luster, often seen as a symbol of positivity and warmth. Fantastic means something that is extraordinarily good or attractive. By merging these two, glow-tastic embodies both the brightness of a glow and the excellence of something fantastic. Glow-tastic is typically used as an adjective to describe something extremely good or impressively beautiful. For example, your performance was absolutely glow-tastic. This decoration looks glow-tastic. It really lights up the room. Notice how the word adds a sparkling and enthusiastic tone to the sentences. 1. Celebratory events. Ideal for parties, festivals, or achievements. 2. Describing appearances, especially when something or someone looks radiant or particularly attractive. 3. In art and creativity. To praise a piece of art or a creative endeavor that is vibrant and eye-catching. Understanding the context helps in using glow-tastic appropriately and effectively. While glow-tastic is predominantly used in English-speaking cultures, its appeal is universal. It resonates in any context where enthusiasm, beauty, and positivity are celebrated. This section can explore how the spirit of glow-tastic is expressed in various cultures, even if the word itself isn't used. That's all about glow-tastic. It's a delightful and expressive term that adds a touch of brightness and excellence to our conversations. We hope you find opportunities to use glow-tastic in your daily life and add a little sparkle to your language. Thanks for watching, and stay glow-tastic.